Ever tried to check what your neighbor is cooking? Peeking over the fence or from the window? It's creepy, right? But it's remote sensing. Hi, welcome to the right terminology. And let's break down the term remote sensing, one simple step at a time. If you can sense something without touching it, that's remote sensing. Instead of peeking over the fence, you can use a drone to sniff the scene from far above. That's remote sensing in the geospatial domain, minus the nosy neighbor part, of course. By definition, remote sensing is the science of collecting information about an object or area from a distance, without being physically present there. Sensors attached to satellites, drones, and aircraft are used for capturing images, measuring heat, scanning vegetation, and more. It works like this. First, sensors detect energy that is reflected or emitted from the Earth's surface. Then, this energy is captured as data, like images, temperatures, moisture levels, and more. And finally, scientists process and interpret this data to understand what's going on. So remote sensing is sensors plus energy plus data interpretation. So next time you use Google Earth, yep, that's remote sensing too. Stay curious. And remember, you don't always have to be close to know what's going on. Thanks for watching. Stick around and keep following, because at the right terminology, we make complex geospatial terms simple, fun, and crystal clear. Explaining one term at a time. Like, share, and subscribe, because every term matters in understanding the bigger picture.